This exclusive country club was built in 1928, and now, almost 90 years later, the whole building has been renovated, including a new slate roof. The patented Nulok roofing system was chosen to install the new roof, which required 17,000 slates fitted onto the 50-degree pitch roof, with 280 lineal meters of copper valleys and 580 lineal meters of copper capping, all completed in just 90 days from start to finish, including 12 rain days. A major benefit of the Nulok system is the way each slate is locked tightly into place, so should a golf ball hit or bad weather damage a slate, it can be replaced in seconds. The slates are secured with stainless steel clips that stop the slate loosening and falling off the roof, possibly causing damage to people or property below. Only the Nulok system allows single slates to be taken out at any time, resulting in substantial savings on this project because important building work could be completed during the roof installation by removing slates to provide access and footholds. This meant that a harness could be clipped onto the exposed battens so that tradespeople could work safely on the steep pitched roof, whether painting dormer windows, replacing damaged gutters or rotting timbers. Slates removed during the day were replaced at night, keeping the building waterproof at all times. Had an old-fashioned slate roof installation been chosen instead of Nulok, it would not only have been more expensive, it would have taken twice as long, exposing the building to a greater risk of water damage. Choosing a Nulok roof is not just a thing of beauty, it's a sound business decision.